To other stories, the Minister of Aviation and Aerospace Development of Nigeria, Festus Keyamo, has paid an inspection visit to the company called Jotron that specializes in design development and manufacturing of communications and safety equipment for the aviation industry. Mr. Keyamo earlier today in Larvik near Oslo in Norway said the purpose of this visit was to personally assess and officially accept the communication equipment purchased by the federal government for 12 control towers in the country. The control towers are the ones located in Akure, Benin, Calabar, Enugu, Ibadan, Ilorin, Jos, Kaduna, Minna, Owerri, Sokoto, and Yola. The minister was accompanied by the managing director of one of the aviation agencies, NAMA, and that's Engineer T. Odunowo. Also, Engineer Farouk A. Umar, the director of Safety Electronics and Engineering Services, and other technical experts from NAMA. The newly elected chairman of the Conference of Speakers of State Legislatures of Nigeria, Adebo Ogundoyin, has pledged to utilize his new position to foster a form of legislation that will serve as a beacon of hope for the enhancement of democracy. The chairman made this pledge while speaking at a reception organized in his honor in Ibadan, the Oyo State capital. Olaide Oyewole reports.
Oyo Speaker Adebo Ogundoyin was recently elected unanimously as the chairman of the Conference of Legislatures in Nigeria after his contender Taiwo Oluomo, Speaker of the Ogun State Assembly, withdrew from the race.
So, we have a young spirit. We are determined to use technology. We are determined to use new innovations.
Back in Ibadan, a reception was organized in his honor, bringing together his supporters, fellow lawmakers, and loyal party members to celebrate his recent achievements. The gathering also had the objective of engaging the high-ranking government officials in the state to collaboratively chart a path towards building a prosperous state.
On behalf of His Excellency, I want to wish you a very, very successful tour of duty. I know we will all come back to rejoice with you because you are going to leave your footprint on the sand of time.
The Deputy Governor of Oyo State affirmed the commitment of the executive branch to maintain a collaborative relationship with the legislative arm to achieve a prosperous state.
And I believe in Oyo State, under the leadership of His Excellency, the Governor of Oyo State, Engineer Oluwaseyi Makinde, we will continue to cooperate between the executive and the judiciary, and between the judiciary and the legislature. That is the only way that this state will continue to prosper.
To the new chairman of the Conference of Speakers, his time as a new chairman would foster enhanced legislation that would uplift democratic values.
We know that legislature is the beacon of democracy in any government. And in our government, if we can strengthen the legislative institution, then most definitely we will build governance. We will ensure that dividends of democracy is felt even in the grassroots, and then we will ensure that the dividend of democracy is spread all across.
Honorable Ogundoyin is the youngest speaker to ever attain the position at the age of 36 and will be serving as the chairman for a period of 2 years. Olaide Oyewole, TVC News, Ibadan.